Okay, hello guys. So welcome back to our channel. So let's proceed to the another looping structure. At this video, we will discuss about the for and for each looping structure. So this is different from while and do while, because in while and do while you need to consider according to the expression that is true or false. In the loop and for each, it's all about a specified range of looping structure. Like, I will loop this one until 5. Okay? I will loop this one until 10. So that's the basic of the for loop. Or for the for each, it's all about the number of elements inside of a certain array. So, but array, I will discuss to you the array next time. But I will give you some simple illustration of array in the for each implementations. Okay, let's go now to the real coding for the for loop. Okay, for the for loop, the structure of the for loop is write for, open and close, and always put this bracket and for loop. Okay, inside of this parentheses, there are three parameters: the initialization, the condition, and then the incrementation in the for loop. Okay, so statement 1, the first parameter, it's all about the initial state before the execution of the code block. And statement 2, it's about the condition for executing the code block. And number 3 is how many times. So is executed every time after the code block has been executed. Okay, so let's try an example like int I equals 0. So that's the initialization, and then the next condition is I no I is less than 10. Okay, and then it will increment every loop. So it's almost same with the while loop, but in this statement, the initialization is put inside of the parenthesis. So the while has this condition, and the while has this looping incrementation or decrementation. But in for loop, it will put inside one of the inside of this parameter, and then we will display the I. So that's it. Okay, no, so display the I. Okay, and let's run. So it's very simple. Okay, it will display everything. I want one line. If you want one line, you can use print, not print line. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. But if you want to add like space, put like this. So it will give you a space. How about if I will include 10? So just put like equal. So less than or equal to 10. So it will include 10. Okay? So that is for the for loop statement. How about for the for each? For the for each statement, I will check some example for the for each. So it's quite complicated, but let's try. Okay? Let's try the concept of the for each. So mostly for each is applicable for an array. Okay, if you have an array of integers, array of characters, array of everything, so you can use for each. Okay, but you can also use for loop. But this is a shorter version of the for loop statement. So example for. Okay, same format and for each. But here you have only one parameter. So I like string. I will put like string. I will write like string car. Okay, I have a variable string car, and then I will call whatever variables that that I will get inside of the array. Like example, I have an array of cars. So I should declare here like array string array. This is the symbol for array, and then the name of the array, and then I will assign multiple values inside of this one variable. Okay, I will explain it to you later, the concept of for while in the other video. Example, Honda. So next is Toyota, and next is what else? Honda, Toyota, is that Isuzu? Yeah. Okay, so this is an array of string. So this is the first array, this is the second array, and the third array. Okay, so I can display it using this for loop statement. So every variable inside of every element inside of this car's array of string, it will assign it to the string car. Okay, and I will display the car. See out. So the car is car. So it will display the car individually. Okay. I should write print line somewhere here. So it will display all the element inside of this for each statement. Okay. How about if, sir, I don't like to display all of the elements. I just want to display one element inside of that array of cars. Yeah, you can use only like this, see out, and then call the name of the cars. You need to specify the index. So the array will start with index 0, 1, and 2. So if I want Honda, I will put 0 because that's the index 0 of Honda. When you run the program, it will display the Honda here, right? So let's comment this code. And run the program. It will display the Honda. If I will put like 2, it will display Isuzu because the index of Isuzu is 2. 0, 1, and 2. Okay, how about if I will put 3? It will gives you like out of bound error. Yeah, array out of bound because 3, you cannot find any value of index 3 inside of this array. Okay, so that's very simple for the purpose of utilizing for loop and for each loop structure. Okay, that's all for this video. Very simple and informative. So don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so that you will be notified for our next video. In our next video, we will discuss about break and continue statement, and then after that one array. So that's all. See you in the next video.